Hello viewers, welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. Is your lotion not whitening, or is your lotion giving problems, white patches or whatever? Let me tell you, I've told you about this Blend Pro 9 before. With this Blend Pro 9, if your lotion is not whitening, if you get a lotion somewhere and it's not whitening, just put this. Put this, you will see. Just in 7 days, you will see the result. In 7 days, you will see the result. Trust me. Blend Pro 9 is original mixture that you can give your lotion. All of the items that they did not put for you, you can get them through here. When you talk about the vitamins your body needs to get, is in here. Your body will become moisturized and extremely white. For those of us who are looking for white, so if you know you don't want to get white, don't use it. I get it, and it will remove every dark spot from your face, from your body. Blend Pro 9, all you just need to do, you can't even finish this, but at most maybe you want to get white and more, just put it inside your lotion. Your lotion is settled. If you have white patches or any skin irritation, it will clean them off. This is what you need, Blend Pro 9. So kindly place your order now. Thank you.